introduce the minister himself. Without you, we can't talk. Without you, we can't open our mouths. Minister, we are loyal. Thank you so much for hosting us. We appreciate, Minister. The President and the Chairman of Council of Nigerian Institute of Public Relations and your members, thank you for inviting us today. The President, Nigerian Union of Journalists, our royal fathers that are here, I can see the chairman of that communication that is also here with us. Thank you, the press. You are not left out. Thank you for covering this wonderful event. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and my constituency, which is the women constituency, you are not left out. Thank you, people. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your massive support. I am pleased to be a part of this memorable occasion of the Diamond Jubilee of the Nigerian Institute of Public Relations. I want to thank you for honoring me with the Diamond Icon of Women Empowerment Award during this celebration. This award is a recognition of my exemplary work, commitments, and dedication to the advancement and empowerment of women, not just in Nigeria, but across the African continent. During the last 60 years, the Nigerian Institute of Public Relations has demonstrated faith and commitment to nation building and provides strategic support towards national development. This is very commendable. As a former First Lady, I have to work closely with some public relation professionals, such as Dr. Ike Neriako, Moji Makinjola, and the rest of them who work with me very, very closely, who has proven their mantle in the public relation practice. Let me remind you that your work is crucial in promoting Nigeria's interests, showcasing our diversity, and enhancing our global standing. Hence, you must continue to uphold the highest standards, embrace innovations, and serve as guardians of our nation's image. Let me, at this point, plead that election has come and gone, and now it's time for governance. As a peace advocate, I would like to call on the warring parties in Rivers State, because it's my state. It's where I am quite interested in. It's my state. So whatever happens here concerns me. And other trouble spots in the country to shade their sword and give peace a chance. knowing fully that no development can take place in atmosphere of chaos. As a political office holder, remember that power is transient. It will end someday. Therefore, holding on to power after expiration of your tenure is an invitation to violence and anarchy, which is not in the best interest of the country at this time. My dear husband, His Excellency Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, show a good example. As a peace lover, when, as a sitting president, he willingly relinquished power without a fight. After losing the presidential election in 2015, today he is a reference point all over the world as a man who loves peace and pursues it in earnest. We must talk of peace. Where there is no peace, no development. Where there is no peace, nobody can live there. Please, 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 I'm kneeling down for you, we need peace. I'm on the floor, we need peace. When we failed election, I was still with him. It's my husband. We were together. We are in the room when we were told, you have lost. I did not whisper to him that we must stay because we will share blood. Innocent people will die. And who will be the person we don't know? It might be you, it might be me, it might be my brother, it might be my sister. We don't need anybody to die. We are brothers and sisters. We are one country. Nobody will leave one another. We are one. I equally call on the Nigerian women. Before I go to that, I want to say something dearly from the bottom of my heart. Like it's our husbands that are voted for. We are not the people voted for. It's our husbands. So we must listen to our husbands and also follow our husbands. But we have one leader. When election comes, who wins becomes our leader and becomes the father of the nation. We need to join hands with that person to make Nigeria great. Not criticizing. Criticizing will not help. We need to bring ideas. If you have idea, bring it out. Because we are to save our country. We are to live together. If we go outside there, to me, I want to come back home. I don't have any other country than Nigeria. If I go there, highest I say 1 week. Nigeria, I want to go back. I want to see my brothers. I want to see my friends. I want to see everybody. So we must join hands to work with Mr. President, who won the election at that time. And for today, no other person than His Excellency, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Let us work with him and make Nigeria great. Nigeria is our own. Let us join hands. Thank you. And I equally call on the Nigerian women to advise their children. There is so much. If God managed bring you out of it, you should glorify God. And thank God for the Lord's doing, because He's marvelous in His eyes. He has taken you there once. Why do you want to go there again? Me, I won't go. I need peace, so I need your love. I want to share love with you. May God bless us. So, long live Nigerian Institute of Public Relations. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. May God bless us. Thank you, and God bless.